Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Audi A1. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's a CD player and Bluetooth, and on top of this you also get air conditioning, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that comes with the automatic 1.4 litre petrol engine, and this has 123 brake horsepower. It's done under 42,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.